You caught it?
Yeah, with no worm. Ew.
Jeez, that's a huge bass.
You gotta take a picture of that.
Yeah, I'm recording it right now. It's going on YouTube.
No.
And we've been working hard, so if you hating hard, it's too loud.
We're doing another fishing challenge video, and this challenge video is a little different. Brady's been catching a lot of fish lately, haven't you, Brady? More than Doomy, at least. Let's just say that. Do you think Brady's catching more fish than you? He is. You have to admit that.
We haven't caught anything yet.
No, just as a total, like, as we've been here. No, like your entire life.
No,
Brady has caught more fish.
No.
Yeah.
Brady's caught. I've caught more than him.
The past couple times we've been here,
Yeah.
I've caught 5. And you
Okay. Yeah, that's what we're That's what we're saying.
I've caught 3.
So yeah. So my point is, Brady is gonna have to catch more fish than. Well, hold on. If Doomy catches one fish, let's just say that, he wins the challenge. But Brady has to just catch a fish. If he does, Brady wins the challenge, and Doomy
No.
just got screwed over. Oh my gosh, dude! I got that on video. Oh my gosh, dude, the hook came flying at me and I ducked it. Ducked it. Dodged it. Who cares? Okay, so yeah, basically what we're saying is Doomy has to catch no fish in order for Brady to win, but Brady has to at least catch one. But if Doomy catches a fish, he wins automatically. And now.
Hold it, please. Hey, stop the clock, Jack.
No, I'm not stopping it.
Yes, because we're both stopped.
Fine. So we're gonna go head to Doomy's house, and we're doing a tiebreaker of rock, paper, scissors, and yeah. So we're getting ready to start the rock, paper, scissors for whoever wins, and whoever wins best 2 out of 3, will have to do the challenge. We haven't really fully decided yet, but I think we're deciding on smoothie.
smoothie challenge. If I win, since I won last time, I get to dump an egg on his head.
And
But
if he wins, he gets to do the smoothie challenge to Brady.
To me,
5.
5
5
ingredients.
ingredients.
I think it should be 6, just so it could be fair as last time.
5.
Okay, so yeah, turn that off. Turn that off for a second. Turn that off.
Alright.
Come on.
Ready?
Okay.
Number 1.
Okay, so
rock, paper,
this is
scissors,
the
shoot.
first round, rock, paper,
Rock,
scissors.
paper, scissors, and then we go shoot? Yeah, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Like that. Right.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey!
So Brady won the first
Wait,
one.
hold on.
Here, let me get a different angle. So Brady won the first one. Here goes the second round.
Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ooh.
Okay, 1 to 1.
Winner take all.
This is for the win.
I'm not looking.
Okay, ready, set, go. Oh my gosh, Doomy won! Doomy won! Doomy won! How do you feel?
I've been doing my research.
So actually we couldn't make the blender work, so we're just gonna get the other ingredients while we're at it.
Ruby,
So, Ruby?
shut up! What we got in the fridge?
Yep. Put some lemon juice, you remember? Pickle juice? Or just pickle?
Pickle and pickle juice.
Dude, you have to put mustard in everything.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna have to-
Must.
Wait, so if I do pickles, put pickles and pickle juice in there, does that count as 2?
What do you mean?
Like, if I pour a bunch
It's
of...
ingredients.
I know, but does that count as 2 ingredients?
Yeah, that's only 2.
So that counts as 2? Tuna juice
That's
and
only
tuna?
1. That is 2.
No, it's 1. It's 1.
What are you talking about? That's 2 ingredients already.
No!
Yes.
So if I pour pickle juice in there and then add a pickle, does that count as 2 more ingredients?
No, it's only.
Hey, Dad.
Is your mom coming home? Is she loud as this? Dude, those were rotten bananas. They were black. Use this. Look at those bananas. Oh my gosh. You just got a text message. I don't know what his phone is. What?
Got some dog food.
Dog food going in. Most important thing. That wasn't the kind of dog food we used. We used treats.
You use dog treats. It can be bad for you.
It can't?
It's just dog food.
I mean, they made it out of some kind of human food. Put mustard.
I don't want to do this.
Mustard makes it better. Try to hold in the power thing. Try to hold in the power thing.
We're gonna use some sauce.
Hot sauce going in. At least it'll change the color. There we go.
What is wrong?
Are we not?
We only have one thing in there right now.
Yeah, let me guess what it is.
What?
Tuna?
Yep.
I'm gonna gag just smelling it myself.
That's the point.
Where's Mom?
She's at the grocery store.
I don't know, man. Is the sign on?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, it is. It'll be like that, right?
There we go. We just put it on now.
What else you putting in there?
See you, Brady.
I did everything else, but we got some sriracha. Can dog food kill you?
Yeah, nothing that's not edible. You guys can't do that stuff.
Okay.
If I ever catch you putting liquor or something in that, you'll rue
We
the
will.
day.
We're not.
Okay,
We're
I
not.
gotta put
I
the dog
heard.
food back. Yeah. Oh, just in time,
Alright,
Just
so
in time.
I think tuna's gonna be bad enough.
Alright, put some of this. Hurry. So here goes that sound.
Alright, don't waste too much.
Wait, no. There's still a lot of sriracha left.
You just gotta mix in a little.
You're in trouble.
Why?
Thank you.
What
Oh
happened?
my gosh.
Nothing.
Oh my.
This is under your own accord, Jackson.
Okay.
This is gonna be terrible.
Yeah, I have nothing to do with this.
No, I earned this beef jerky.
No, you didn't.
How's your game, Led?
We won.
Alright, so that's
Some stuff.
trying to think.
Without it peeled.
No, he said nothing unedible.
Hey,
Where is Brady?
Dude, a ton of salt.
No.
What, dude? That'll be bad.
What are you all doing?
We did another challenge and I won this time.
You what?
And I won this time.
You didn't gag and puke in my kitchen, did you?
No.
No,
Hey,
no.
can you help us think of some gross ingredients? We got sriracha, pickle juice, and tuna in there right now. And we need
sauce.
No, that's gross.
Do lime juice.
Mm-hmm.
I told you. I told Brady, and he's like,
mustard,
no.
something worse than mustard and pickle juice.
mustard and pickle.
Lime juice.
All
Is there
right,
any more of those?
all right. So that's 3.
Possibly.
No, you already have 3 in there. That'll
Yeah,
be
I know.
5.
Well, it took
3.
you exactly 1.5 minutes.
Here it goes.
4.
Going in. That's
Hi.
4.
Oh, you're gonna just give me a hug first? Okay.
Lime
Before
juice
you
going
do
in.
something?
Mustard just went in. Oh my gosh.
And
You all finish that up, boys, and then I want mine.
let me try this.
Oh no, you're gonna puke.
Oh my gosh.
Did you win?
What?
Did you win?
7-1.
That's great.
I didn't
Dude, that's
score.
a-
Me and my coach wouldn't let me beat.
Did you mix it up good?
We're just about to.
Here, I'm cup.
Wait, I need a spoon.
Whoa.
You good?
Bonnie Flip.
I mean, think there's enough liquid?
Dude, you're the master at this. This is way better than Brady's.
There you go.
Where is Brady?
Use plastic, please. So you can just throw it away after.
My gosh.
Plastic cup.
Oh my gosh. Brady, this is for you, man.
Where is Brady anyway?
He's outside.
Dude, he's just gonna puke looking at it.
Wait, I gotta smell this.
Where is he?
Outside waiting for dinner.
Oh, dude, that's.
Dude, you could smell that right
Come on, let's
away.
go.
I'm trying.
Oh
Hey,
my.
slow down. Hold it. There you go.
I just had a whole cup of this. This is delicious.
Oh.
Just do it right here.
Hold on.
I don't want you breaking that outdoors.
Here.
Why?
Oh my.
Here comes dinner.
Edible in there.
Brady,
That's his.
this is way better than yours. Here comes Brady. He's gonna puke.
You're screwed.
You have to chug some of that, boy.
I'm not chugging any of it. I'll take a
Bottoms up.
maybe.
You have to.
Oh my god.
You made Doomy do
Did he
this.
lose a bet?
Yeah.
We did.
Hey, I'm gonna give you a secret ingredient. Like 5
I know
tablespoons
the
of
tune.
sriracha.
Is that why it's like?
Orange.
Yeah.
Plus mustard.
God.
Okay, that'll cover up the tuna taste.
And lime juice.
And mustard.
And
the
pickle.
Why did you pour? The tuna looked like turkey, so I was like, oh, this isn't gonna be that
Look, it's
bad.
the same once you swallow it.
Oh.
You should have saw
Come
the
on, go.
can
I'm gonna
come
take
open.
however long it took you to drink it.
Which is now. Go.
Dude, it took
What do
Doomy
you
a
think
good
about-
5
That
minutes
smells
to
like a
drink that.
Mexican dish.
Oh, yum.
Is that?
There you go. You
Sure.
got
Oh yeah,
This is the
you should
Chobani
drink
I
it.
like
It's Mexican.
I don't know about
You should
Mexican.
drink it, Brady.
Here comes Ruby wanting to taste.
Oh,
Don't you feed that.
Don't
to the
poop
dog.
again, Ruby.
You don't need 2 kids getting sick in the backyard.
oh god. Okay.
You
You gotta
remember?
go.
Hey, Brady, make sure you poop in the grass, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he pooped in the grass last time.
I didn't even have
Oh.
to drink it last.
5, 4, 3,
Take it
2,
time.
1, go.
Come on, please.
Go.
Here goes Brady.
Go.
It looks like caviar or something like that.
Go.
Go.
Drink it.
Oh my god.
Don't worry, the pickle juice will go down good.
It like
Get away, get away.
Alright, guess. Guess
if I puke, I don't. If I puke, I don't have to
How's that
drink it.
It touched
His
me.
dad is like, yes. Oh, this
Yep,
is
there it is.
hilarious. Remake of last time's.
You okay, buddy? You want
Oh
some
yeah,
water?
I'm fine.
He has a weak stomach.
Alright, so we
A
got
very
tuna,
weak one.
we got pickles,
Wait, hold on.
we got pickles, pickle
No, I want to guess it.
You just said 4 of the 5.
No, we didn't. I said
Yeah.
3.
Thing by the taste in your mouth.
Let's see the puke. Where did that go?
Oh, I don't know if you want to see that.
Oh,
So there's tuna,
There's some of the spit.
mustard.
Mustard.
I can't believe he actually puked. I love your dad's reaction. It's so funny.
Hold on, let me just tell you.